I'm Anthony D'Silva from Ambeli. Today I want to decode a name called Malcolm. Now Malcolm may be sounding same, but it may have different spellings. I will take the spelling which befits this person. M-A-L-C-U-M. Now before that I want to ask for forgiveness from all my connectivity friends on social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, everywhere. And at the same time I want to also make a mention that I don't intend to hurt anybody other than this one person named Malcolm. And I don't even mean to hurt him. But I need to reply to all the questions which he has been asking me for the last 7-8 months, and I have not been answering him. And I had enough patience with him till he went beyond the issues. Then he attacked me as person, then he attacks my profession, and then he goes to attack beyond the circle of my profession, my students also. So this Malcolm is a word or blend of M-A-L and C-U-M. The intentions of baptizing with this name might have been good. Let us keep that over there. But today the environment has changed and he has destroyed it and converted it to malware scum. Now, what is mal? Mal is a word which comes out from malefied, malicious, malfunction and malware. And cum, from the word scum, is nothing but scum is a dirt that goes around anything that is happening goodness around in the society. So considering these two things, I will convert this decoded message as malware scum. Now, what is this malware scum? He is a pain in the society and which is out to destroy anything and everything that comes his way. And even what is not on his way also start destroying, going out of his way. So let us watch this Netflix type of series in audio form. And please don't forget to watch every series till the end so you get a complete idea and complete picture of the state of mind of this man. But henceforth, after this series are over within a period of maybe 20 days, which I will be releasing every 3 days, I will no more answer this man because every person in the society should know what this man is up to. There could be some 10 people selective who may be doing thumbs up for him. And his remaining story, you'll learn as it comes. Wait, watching. It's going to be talk of the town, malware scum. Ta-da-da! I have all the evidences of all the audios that I have made. So nobody should be underestimating me in this regard. If anybody would want a person who's having a stature in the society, somebody who matters in the society, can always call me and ask me for these evidences and I will show it to you all. And I'm telling, in future, whenever this fellow makes any audios or videos and defame somebody, please put a complaint in the police station, open an NC on him, and then just file one defamation in every nook and corner of Goa. He is too much free to do all these things. So let us try to keep him more busy now. There is a saying, when children fidget with their fingers, the doctors give a clay for them to play with. So they become busy with the clay and the tendency to fidget with their fingers reduces and finally it stops. So let us keep these malware functions at low by keeping him more busy to run around in all the courts of different parts of Goa. Malware scum, तुगेले malware सारकना. Malware म्हणजे तुगेली health सारकना. So health मुळा किते? Health मुळाली is not only being fat and stout, तुझ भाषेत. Health is a condition, there are 4 components. A healthy person means he should be healthy mentally, physically, emotionally, socially, and I'll add one, religiously. And there are 5 components of तुगे 4 component derail झालो आहे. तुगे एको component गोडे सारखा असतलो. That is to physically बरा असतलो. That is health. दुसरे तू sadistic मनीस. And sadistic मुळा कितें? A person who enjoys others' suffering. कोणाचे दुःख चोयन 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 तेगे आस भागोल म्हणटरी तो हॅप्पी जाता. तुगे आस अजून भागलो ना, तू सॅडिस्टिका मुखार या, त्याक न्यू वर्ड सोदून घालचे पडटो आमी. Sadistic also means somebody enjoys the other person being beaten up mercilessly, torture जातो, maybe physically or mentally somebody is being tortured. तेसो incident पाचोइन ह्या मनीस happy जाताय when they are fulfilled by seeing this properly. तेका sadistic म्हणटाय. So in another 2 words, you are sadistic person and you are not healthy. It is not that. What it is now? It is not that. See, it is not that. This is that. And this is the thing. हांव व्हिडिओ चेवपान आसलोलो, व्हिडिओ करपान आसलोलो, कोच पळो, हांव लायव्ह येवपान आसलोलो, म्हाका लायव्ह येच पळो. Guess who? Malware scum. Malware scum. Now this man, I will advise him, there is a saying in English, people staying in glass houses should not throw stones at houses below them. And absolutely and definitely not this malware scum with all the baggage on his back. He is finding difficulty in walking around because it's too heavy for him. Mentally disturbed person, unsound person. So these people start moving helter-skelter. So please stop your all these bunkers games in future. Stop maligning anybody in the society without evidence and not going into their personal lives, neither in their families or beyond that ring. You need to have decorum to your videos and audios. Freedom of speech accompanies with responsibility, which you don't have. So, like that, there are some subtitles about your misgivings and misdoings in the society. One, what about a petrol pump issue? We will question you. There are things that has gone underground near Asalna bridge. What about the sand type of mining taking place at Durga? Some type of smuggling? Third, what about the haftas that were being collected from Shishini and around areas from the people who have been playing madkas there? Fourth, what about the Benali matter? So all this you will be responsible to answer when people will want to answer answers from you. So let us not get into details of this. So, but please, once again I tell you, take my advice, stay in your glass house. If it is of somebody else, it doesn't matter for me. If it is yours, well and good. Dev Bare Guru.